China's record bank lending appears to have no end. The bank that doled out the most loans in the first half says it'll keep the credit flowing. Bloomberg's Zeb Eckert joins us live now from Hong Kong with a story you'll see only on Bloomberg. Good morning, Zeb.
Good morning, Allison. Well, we're talking about the Bank of China. It's the country's third largest bank, but it isn't holding back from a lending spree. A Bank of China spokesman telling Bloomberg the lender will stick with its target of writing about 10% of China's new loans this year. Now, Bank of China led a credit explosion in the first half, advancing a record $132 billion in loans, and it did so with the blessing of Beijing, which wanted to stem the effects of the credit crisis. Now, all of that record lending led to a surge in the Shanghai Composite. Let's take a look at the numbers. Now, the benchmark for mainland stocks is up 88% so far this year, and we've watched the property market soar in tandem as home prices in China shot up with that record bank lending. But of course, there are still plenty of risks here. China's banking regulator in recent weeks warning about asset bubbles and the risk of non-performing loans. Fitch Ratings saying many of those loans extended earlier this year may become non-performing in years to come. And a final concern here for banks: capital adequacy ratios. China's central bank today warning that falling capital ratios at banks there may hurt their chances of extending credit in the future. So, Allison, a very tricky balance for China, how to boost bank lending without creating a bubble. Back to you.
All right, Zeb, thanks.